Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney from Goldman and Associates. And today I want to address an interesting problem that comes up when a person is faced with a divorce or custody matter, but the immediate resources to defend it simply aren't there. What do? Maybe you're in a situation where you're a homemaker and you've just been served with papers. You don't have access to funds immediately. You don't necessarily have friends or family that you can go to, and you're faced with lawyers telling you they need thousands and thousands of dollars up front to represent you. The problem is that you need time to get it together. Meanwhile, all the time is ticking away because, as you know, when you get served, you have a limited amount of time within which to file these answers. These documents are very time sensitive. How do you stop the clock ticking so you can scramble around and put money together to retain a firm that will represent you? Well, there are different approaches to this. I will tell you that at Goldman Associates, we have a program set up so that if you find yourself in this situation, you can have a remedy available. We call it our $500 Start Your Case program. Basically what that does is, for the payment of $500, the office will draft the initial pleadings that you need to file with the court so that the clock stops ticking. This will be a way in which you can tell the court that you're going to be represented in this case. You are filing an appropriate answer. It's not some BS nonsense answer that you put together based on your own instincts. Rather, it's a answer that meets the appropriate guidelines set forth by the court rules. We draft it. We put our wisdom and our experience and knowledge together in that answer, which you then file, and that stops the clock ticking. We do it all for $500. Now, the advantage is that once you've done that, the court will initiate its normal procedures where it sets up a scheduling order and certain events that are going to occur over many, many months of time. Well, during that period of time now, you can find what resources are available to you, get your money together, and you can engage us to fully represent you as you would normally. There is an advantage in starting a case, and the advantage in starting a case is if a person knows they're going to start it, they get to save up. They get to financially plan. But when you get served, you don't have that advantage. You don't have that benefit. You get papers, you got 21 days to answer them or be in default. Believe me, of all the places you want to be, default is not one of them. So if you're in that situation and you want to find out a little bit more about our program, of course, call us and we'll be glad to help you out.